To set custom notifications sound on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, go into the sounds and vibration, and from here scroll all the way down and you will be able to find the notification tone. So let's simply tap on this one, and from here you have to scroll all the way down and here press this button to add notification. And as you tap on this one, you will be forwarded into the probably Files application, and you will be able to find the previously downloaded sound which you would like to select as a custom notification sound. So I currently have this one right here. Simply tap on this one, and as you tap on that, you'll have to go all the way to the top again. And here I accidentally tapped once, so like there are two copies of these songs, but simply you'll have this song available after you tap on that song and select it to have this as the notification sound, and simply just leave this menu. And as you can see, this notification tone has been changed, and it is currently this song which I previously selected. So that's pretty simple.